You're watching How Leap. Let's see your subscribers on YouTube mobile. Open the YouTube app and tap your profile picture in the top right corner. Select your channel. On your channel page, you will see your subscriber count. To see a list of public subscribers, tap on the subscriber count number just below your channel name. This will open your subscribers list. Here you can scroll through the accounts that have subscribed to you and have their subscriptions set to public. If you have no subscribers or they have private subscriptions, the list may be empty. You cannot see subscribers who have set their subscriptions to private. This list is only available on the mobile app for channels with public subscribers. For more simple computer tutorials, subscribe to the channel.